Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Enter password and security. Go to screen lock. And as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN, and complex password. Let's start with none. Then go to swipe. Next, let's select PIN. Then go to complex password. And in the end, let's select pattern. Now when it's done, we can go to fingerprint, select register, and now simply tap the fingerprint sensor located at the bottom of the screen multiple times, and each time try to adjust fingerprint position. Tap OK, and now let's use it to unlock the phone. When it's done, we can go to face recognition, tap accept, and create now. Simply scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.